We've been asked, would fitting a log burner in your cabin affect your warranty? Well, to take a step back, how do you get a warranty? As long as your cabin's been built correctly and then treated effectively within the first 28 days of it being built, then we'll give you a 5-year structural warranty. If you want to add things like shelves or TVs or log burners, it's all possible, but there's guidelines, and if you follow them, then we'll look after you. If you want to fit a shelf to your cabin, then you want to make sure the fixings are only on one log. If you straddle the logs, then that can inhibit the natural movement of the cabin. For TVs, you want to do the same, and if you can, then always use expansion slats. Log burners now are a little bit different. The best thing to do is to consult with a professional. There's a lot of things to consider. You need to have a sufficient base plate, back plate, insulated flue, the exit needs to be sealed correctly, you don't want to overheat the wall boards or the roof covering or anything like that. There are plenty of companies out there that can supply and fit an appropriate log burner for your cabin, and if you consult with them first, then we'll have you covered. If you've ever had any questions regarding the construction, design or maintaining your cabin, leave them in the comments below and we'll answer them in a future Top Tip Thursday video. Thanks for watching.